Hi everyone, today we're lapping the valve on the Alfasud engine. I'll show you a little trick how the way I do it. So I use that an hand drill. This is a shaft of a valve catted, and I'm using a piece of rubber hose, fuel rubber hose. So of course those holes are notorious to be hard most of the time. So what you do is just give a bash with the hammer at the top of it, soften it. You go on the shaft of the valve. Put it on. So you can drive that with the drill. There's a valve paste that uses some stuff which it doesn't have grease, so it's just fine lapping valve paste. Actually have some antifreeze in it just to avoid any rust, and that's the way you do it. Very easy, quick, and it does a spot job. It comes up perfect. Bash a little bit. Always a knife grab to just one on you, right? Okay, pull the things off, valves off. Check the cut. Let's look like brand new valves, match the source, all the valves, intake and exhaust. So these engines will have brand new valves. So that's the way it looks like. Okay, same story. You check the valve seat in the head. That seat in the head's perfect as well. That's it. That's it. This is an Alfasud 1.5 Ti green cloverleaf engine. So we've already done one, and it's ready to go just to the last one, and I'll come back to you later and I'll show the way I do the valve clearance on the bench without using any special tool or anything, just to avoid any drama with it. Alright, speak to you soon.